Yeah. Yo, Platty. Platinum are the first me ever see up on my life so quick. Yo, Platinum. From a band. Are the first me ever see a reach from my life so quick. Alright. So. Yo, cool numbers. Bumbleclad. On you ready? On you ready? Alright. Zine. Gaza fans. Me have no reason all the while pan a something here. And me always telling you say. Calm until the freedom real. I wake up, come me sleep. And I wake up and I see everybody else say a world boss free. But me never there go say nothing at all until me see him outside. You see me? So them things that me always I tell you now. You have to see it. And I tell everybody say me always have to see it. To believe it. Me not just get up and run and say him free. About 10 times them say him free already, I never free him. What I want to notice though, Andrew holding his head bust. Yo, Andrew holding his head bust. Yo. Yo, alright. Yo, God. You know, say Kartel a wicked man. Yo. People, Kartel's tragedy them and him subliminal them not normal. Zine, remember him not say him a support PNP or say him a fight against labor right now, but the man image where him and him dog them come out in a loan, bust Andrew Wellness head. You know that sweet me, right? Yeah. Cause Andrew do a bag of thing when I write. So obviously Kartel in there a preem thing and know what go on in the news and them something there and no say anybody him come out and I run with at the whole street. Cause me can tell you now, Zine, Kartel, first show, I go bigger than every other first show we ever keep. You understand what I'm saying? I want to listen to me. People ask me this multiple times. And even when I go up on the guys, I show them ask me that. And people say, you think it got bigger than Buju show? You think it got bigger than every show? I been said that. I been say if you forward, it got be the biggest show. Me no know which part them I got put people. I don't know where they are going to keep it. First thing, him can't have one come home show. It can't be one. Because if you use National Stadium, you still going to have some people from the western end of Jamaica when they're there at the show. So I'm going to have to use Trelawney Stadium too, and that... It can't be one show though. Because the stadium one, and the thing is now, I don't want Andrew Holness and Babsy Grange fight and not give him on the stadium. Him deserve to get the national stadium. Because now we know. Remember, him free now. So, you can't even address him as a murderer. You understand what I'm saying? We have to be realistic now. The government, present government, cannot treat him as a murderer. No matter what they might think, no matter what kind of discrepancy you want to have, the system exonerate him as a murderer. He's not a murderer anymore. So, him deserve the right to use the National Stadium. Just like how Gargamel get it. Just like how Burna Boy get it. Just like how Chris Brown get it. You understand what I'm saying? Me agree, say him forget it. So I don't want the man them use no prejudice thing to him come out in a full orange and white, and say, we're not going to give him the stadium. Him deserve it. Him deserve the National Stadium. And if him want to do 2 nights in the National Stadium, him forget it. Because me feel like him can do 2 nights in the National Stadium at Kingston and still ram the 2 nights them. And then I think him can do the other week a country and the 2 nights as well. Because I know people ticket ready for book already. I know the world are going to move. Big man thing. Yeah, but you have to remember, say, now, him health issues I can deal with. Kartel na broke. Kartel have money. So, health thing better right now. Remember, say, when you're there at jail, you have to wait on the system to carry a doctor, or a doctor come look for you. Now, him not have to do that. Him can do it himself. You understand? Him can go a doctor himself. Him can fly in specialist. Him can go a private doctor. Him can fly go Cuba anywhere he want to go now. Because remember, say, I don't know, probably America and England alone would have discrepancy with him flying. But, and him is not even a criminal in the system. So, I don't think them England for even stop him from go England or nothing like that. Because him exonerated him case that way. It done. You understand what I'm saying? So, if he want to go to Cuba, go sort out him health, easy thing that I know say Barbados are wait. After we and him at the bridge in Guyana wait. So him will have to fix that and go over Guyana. The whole place want to see him. Yeah, that may I say, I don't know America go work it out, but because I'm done, they never have no visa for America, but right now anything possible, brother. And I see Buju in America. Come on. Like anything is possible. Can't even write off that. Anything possible. You see me? So, but yo, I want to ask a major question now. Who are going to keep that show here? And who are going to keep the first show? Yo! And who are going to keep that first show here? Who are going to keep that first show here? I know say right now Jabba and Butterfolk are saying, I wonder if we can get that show. Me know say Jabba and Butterfolk are pray. Right now me know say Leng them a pray. Sharon Burke a pray. Kartel a pray. Yo, everybody want to keep this a show here now. Yeah, man keep it himself in a breezy, but him still have to go link with a promoter. He can keep it himself, man. Because him not going to give nobody that show that completely for themselves. But him I go want link with a promoter. So I don't know if a Sharon Burke, I don't know if a Butler, I don't know if a Butterfolk and Jabba. I don't know. But anybody him collaborate with for the show, yeah? Problem. Reach out. Kartel, I don't know if you watch this. You have one girl named Candisha over New York. The way she rep Gaza 24/7 to block. Yo, I don't know. You have to put on 2 VIP ticket for her. She named Candisha. To how she whine to Gaza song and defend Gaza. Yo, I don't know. Yeah, him can no, Drop Top I got response to England. Cause I remember say Drop Top and Kartel apart from a long time. Zine. I remember say Drop Top keep it really well a Kartel, you and Popcorn, everybody. So Drop Top, I man Killer Filler got a response to Birmingham. Yo, if Kartel go to London right now, where them I gonna put him? Cause O2 Arena have the big side. When Nicki Minaj them go. But it's good I want 2 times that. And Wembley Stadium, them good have to carry me now. If you go to England, you know. And Wembley Stadium, them good have to carry. Me there right now, I imagine the show. I imagine the show. You see, our Kartel first show in England now. Me would want to be the security company. I would want to be the security company. So what I say? Kartel can't full Wembley Stadium? I say Kartel can't full Wembley Stadium? If Kartel first show in a Wembley right now, it black. Me not tell no lie. If teacher first show in a Wembley, black. Sold out. O2 can't hold him. O2 can't hold him. When you see Popcorn show over there? In England, right, Ram? We are talking about Vybz Kartel. Remember the Vybz Kartel right now, for the 13 years we don't see him, and nobody not see him perform. And Kartel have so many hit songs. Kartel can perform for 3 hours. By himself. Kartel can perform for 3 hours by himself, not including any guest. And if him have guests, him can give a 4-hour show. It can be a 4-hour show. Easy, easy. Remember say, from Kartel lock up till now, the amount of audience what Kartel get is 10 times more than before him lock up. I want to listen to what I say now. Because the reality me are talking. Before him lock up, Kartel is big. From lock up to now, Kartel is humongous. Big difference. Big difference. See? So me don't want nobody underestimate the power of the release here. The power of the release here is normal. Kartel now is not a normal artist. Before Kartel go in, you know, remember say you have artists where dominate certain space more than Kartel. No. Right now where Kartel there, the release here, every region where them artists did bigger than Kartel, Kartel are going to have bigger show than them in a them region. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. Anywhere you put Kartel right now, he might get the biggest crowd than anybody where you have as big artists. Believe me. Anywhere, whether it be Europe, Africa, Japan, China, space, Mars, Jupiter, anywhere. Anywhere you put teacher right now. Anywhere. anywhere, pan the cloud, pan the plane wing, anywhere. It a go bigger than anybody we ever got it. This also is something major for the culture. Burna Boy in a trouble, Davido in a trouble, Thames in a trouble. Who else? All of them in a trouble. Right now, every promoter focus, whether Yankee promoter or local promoter, they're on Vybz Kartel and the bookings. Everybody in a trouble. Right now, all Olympics in a trouble. Right now, Olympics in a trouble. Remember, yesterday when me get up, me see Snoop Dogg 2 million times for my timeline. Seeing? Me get up yesterday, the coach, the Jamaican coach, a ball send an AC in a tent and them thing they go viral. Me wake up today and every mama blood clot thing for my timeline of Vybz Kartel. To how long me I run viral thing and a Kartel alone come pass me out now. A Kartel alone come pass me out now. And me I run viral thing. Me never see something like this. The whole timeline burn up. Every look me look for my timeline. Rapper, DJ, academics, them, everybody. And Vybz Kartel them talk about. Me see some man I find some picture and something with Vybz Kartel where it look like they never even remember where them dead. Well, Andrew Tate get let out too. See, they can never tell me say Andrew Tate get let out more than no. I can't tell people busy. Nobody they ever busy about Andrew Tate right now. I swear. Right now, if they free R. Kelly, it nah big like this. Hold on there, my son a call me. Hold on there. Yes, Styles, big up yourself. If them let out R. Kelly now, it wouldn't viral as all this viral. I just have to talk the truth. Remember say, me's not a Gaza man, you know. Me's a gully side. See? And me create the gully, so me can't change from being a gully. But the truth of the truth, if R. Kelly get released now, it not gonna be as impactful as the Vybz Kartel something. Are the biggest impact this me see? Would you impact it big too, but this a different level something. A different impact this. Even alright. You know what? Me have to give some Gaza fans props. Remember Gaza fans the whole of fuckery with Earth Kartel, you know. But here me have to give them one props for this morning. The amount of time where Gaza fans celebrate say Kartel free and him never free. If you see that crowd out there this morning, it shows they're persistent. It shows them loyalty unmatched. It shows them believe in what them believe in. No, we have to just start the truth, dog. The member, you know, after you cry wolf so much time, you know, when the wolf really forward, you know, nobody know that if you look every day about out wolf. But the Gaza fans them out in them numbers. You understand what I say? Even the wagonists them out there in them numbers. Because enough of them in Gaza them say. Them just run with it because they know the thing Kartel out and everybody around it. You understand what I say? But me really rate how them come out this morning. Because me nervous. Me not say, yeah, I come today or I not come today. Me no know. Me just watch it and see what happen. Because the amount of flip to go on and the amount of back and forth. Me not go come on social media and tell lie and say, oh yeah, I'm sure I come out today. I never did. Me never do that none of the time them when them say I'm free. None of the time. See a man they say my Africa Gaza. How long African people are represented? Bomb clot. Yeah. Yeah. No, a big deal. A big deal. Nobody can say nothing to Gaza fans. Them have all right to celebrate. Them have all right to dominate. Them have all right to go out themselves. Them have all right to make mean. Them have all right to do everything. Them have right to do everything. Them Gaza fans, them resilient and them persistent and them believe. I am being honest. Me give them props for that. When it comes to loyal, diehard fans, I honestly think say Gaza have the most loyal fans, and then Misha Pedicure by Badge give thanks. I feel like Gaza have the most loyal fans, and then Bounty Killer. Big man thing. As some would have put it, where loyal fans go, I think it would be Kartel and then Bounty Killer. Everybody else fans them kind of wishy-washy. Them over here so today, over there so tomorrow, over here. You see me? Big up the Gambia crew. Them a big up Kartel straight. Yeah, Alkaline have some diehard fans too, because Alkaline on a song, but anytime they on a show, Ram, sold out. Yeah, talk about show. Some man, hey. Why? My youth, some man will charge some money and not a song for sing. And not a performance. Hey, problem. When you notice that the margin with great artists are get wider and wider. Cause Sizzler them, Caperton them, Popcorn, Vado, Bounty, Beanie. When you not realize that the real Wayne Campbell by Badge give thanks. The real artists them, Kartel back again, Javinci burn up the place, Gaza Slim Bin burn up the place, Chanel Muir. When you not realize I do one of them a kick down the place. So you can have one show now with be a real authentic artist. No nursery rhyme artist, no gobble artist, real performance. Me no know, but alright. Best of the best no keep, because Jabba them and Brother Foota them not have no confidence in the artist them. How will this a call me now? Can't take a call now. Can't take a call now. One reason why I answered the call before I did Oshana call me. Best of the best. Let's hope. Because people they not notice something, you know. And me always have to open my eye to certain things, you know. See? I shine myself. Behave yourself. I have to show something to you, and I have to point it out to you. I want to really take notice more time. I want to realize, say, Buju Banton, they in America, right? Buju Banton give props to the maroon people them and Chief Curry. Kartel jump out, you know, see him lawyer, and him people them a give props to the maroon chief, Chief Curry. You don't see a pattern. You don't see a pattern. You don't realize, say, the maroon powerful than everything else, boy. You don't realize how the government a text set from the maroon them and want to turn Chief Curry in a criminal. You don't realize. You don't realize. You don't see, you don't look, you don't observe. Ranking Daily by Badge, big up. You don't realize that Chief Curry is a blessing to Jamaica. You don't realize that the government ignorant for Chief Curry. How them now attack no other maroon chief? Remember Chief Curry and the Hunger maroon chief, you know? Me know New League. Me know, man. Me know. Zine, uno member say, Kartel lawyer, he go down a maroon town, go check Chief Curry and Kartel, it ball out, say, him granduncle or him uncle or somebody, for him grandfather, somebody for him, a maroon, you remember? No, but, alright. Somebody said not a single soul mention Sean Storm. Brother, in a quest like this, most people are going to talk about Kartel. Even before most people talk about Kartel. But Kartel free and the whole of them free. Remember say a Kartel lead and help everybody. Remember say a Kartel need to pay a lawyer for everybody and everything. So Kartel are the main subject. You understand? When they come like you have 50 Cent and you have Tony Yayo. Everybody know Yayo a 50 Cent youth, but a 50 Cent of the story. You understand what I'm saying? So, what me I say to you, say, you see a pattern. You see say Babylon have a low budget. And the maroon them budget work with. Right now, Babylon low Kartel. And the maroon them Kartel are linked with. So something go on. Something out there bigger than we know. Chief Curry is the man. And I notice say Chief Curry come under pressure from the government. Even though the government illegally pressure Chief Curry. Because what them do is illegal. But them want to criminalize Chief Curry. Alright, I want to listen. When Chief Curry in the bus and the police them surround the bus, right? And they must make them leave. And one of the youth say, no, but we see if yes up for maroon land. And then Chief Curry say, yeah, alright, we now about that left. But them look a small detail, they probably will not pay attention. Because he never want left half of the piece of land. Then the police, them we have jurisdiction for lock him up and do him baiting. But them not a jurisdiction for maroon land. You understand? That's why him nobody move. Him stay where him there. And them illegally sell the lumber them and do be a thing. And them know them not for trespass on the land. Remember, you know, about 6 months or about a year ago, Kartel start promote a maroon thing and river, you remember? Chief Curry is the man. He my smartest maroon me see in my lifetime. Me don't know about no dog. First thing me don't know no other maroon chief. Me don't know none of them. Other youth come and show say laws and powers dead for the normal man in a Jamaica. Where Andrew them can't give no talk. Because it's set in a stone. It's set in the law, in the constitution. Everybody, panel live here, so much people we have over here today. On a need to start follow Chief Curry. Go up on him Instagram and follow him. And we learn. And we have to protect him at all costs because they want to kill him. That's why when you see even Queen Ifrika and all of them I say if you beat him and if you support Chief Curry, I can't beat the younger person. When I see I show up the government. If you go beat the only man. When I see a fight. And I open my eyes to the Constitution. But the India, alright, enough people don't know about the Seminole Indian them and Indian reservation. Our thing value more than that. The blacks have more power than the Indian them. But we don't assert with power because we don't know. We don't know how you're going to use your power if you don't know. You have a man that try broke out of prison while the jail cell open, he never know. He just push up but it not lock. But because he don't know, he might dig out wall and climb to be a place and you understand? So we just don't know. So everybody need to start pay attention to Chief Curry. Cause me see the two biggest thing. I see Buju Banton reach back in America and him give props and glory to the Maroon Chief, Chief Curry. And I see Kartel free up now and the Maroon Chief I get props. So that don't mean something. That have to mean something. That's why me I say, don't surprise if after a while Kartel in America. Don't surprise if after a while Vybz Kartel will be back in America. Or England or anywhere. You understand what I say? So we have to open my eye. Long live Chief Curry. And I am a gully person. A gully side, me say till death, me can't change. Because me born on the gully and put the gully on the map. And then my father put it on the globe. But me have to say this. Welcome home, Vybz Kartel. Big up on your freedom. Big up on the whole of your co-accused them. It was a long and hard fight. But obviously, at the end of the day, the fat lady sing. You understand what I say? And the fat lady sing, gonna walk free on the road. Big up on yourself. Me, I try my best for the show anyway to keep. You understand? Me no want a VIP ticket, me no want nothing. Me just want the show and be a part of greatness and see the numbers and the performance and everything. Zine? So, as a youth from over the other side, because I gully me thing there. Zine? Kartel and me youth who me used to par with and think same way, but where everybody know the story. Gully and Gaza go at it and I gully me thing there. But your freedom is there and God is in the midst, and from God say free, nobody can say stay at jail. So big up yourself. You understand what I say? Yeah, big up the whole of Gaza nation. Celebrate non-stop and no one can celebrate. We never like the rest of celebration them because them never real. That one is real. E.g. outside, good have fuck a pussy now or I drink some street vibes rum or something, but it a day road, so a greatness. Big up on yourself.